Need a flashlight that doesn't feel like a tool but is ready whenever you are, whether you're working under the bonnet or walking the trail. This is the Sofirn ST10. Sofirn say it's sized to go and built to shine. Let's find out if that's true. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, I'm Jim Bob and welcome to Jim Bob's EDC, where I share everyday carry setups, gear reviews, pocket dumps and more. If you are into EDC knives, multi-tools, watches, flashlights, kits and pouches, or just like seeing what people actually carry, you are in the right place, because what you carry carries you. Sofirn kindly sent me this flashlight for free with no money changing hands and no conditions attached. And they haven't seen this video before release. So the ST10 is a compact clip-on mini flashlight designed for urban EDC, travel and everyday use. Small enough to clip onto keys, a bag strap or a cap, but with enough output modes to handle real tasks. Inside the box you get the ST10 flashlight, a rechargeable 14,500 battery. It will also run on a regular AA, 2 straps and a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. The body is CNC machined aluminium measuring 6.9 centimeters by 3.3 by 2 and weighing 69 grams with the battery. You also get IPX6 water resistance and 1 meter impact resistance. It's a great EDC size, but it's the features that really make it shine. The key features are the clip and magnetic tail cap. This is the standout. Clip it to a bag strap, a cap brim, or stick it to anything metal for instant hands-free light. Perfect for car work, under desk checks or emergency tasks. There are dual white LEDs. You get a tighter beam for distance and a soft flood for close-up work. Ideal for indoors, campsites, stairwells or walking at night. There's a side light and red LED. The flood side light is brilliant for working at close range without glare. The red LED preserves night vision and is bright enough for a makeshift bike light, signalling or roadside emergencies. For output levels, the main beam options are low, medium, high and turbo, up to 1000 lumens with a distance of 144 meters. The side flood goes up to 500 lumens, reaching 54 meters. The red light reaches 100 lumens and 28 meters. For something this small, it packs a serious punch. For battery and power options, you can swap between the included 14,500 rechargeable battery or a standard AA. But do note that using a regular AA battery disables the power indicator and lockout modes. But still, the flexibility is excellent for travel and long days out. It works for EDC because it is pocket and bag friendly. It's compact enough that you'll actually carry it, which is what EDC is all about. There are multiple light modes. There's the flood for close tasks, throw for distance, and red for subtle or night work. It's emergency ready for that flat tire on a dark lane, dropped keys under the car seat. This solves it all. It has hands-free capability. The clip and magnet make it incredibly useful for real-world tasks. And it is low maintenance. The USB-C charging and battery options keep it nice and simple. But some things to consider: it is compact, so runtime and heat management can't match full-size torches. The clip and tail cap add a little thickness, so maybe it's not ideal if you want super slim pocket carry. The mode complexity can be a bit challenging. There are multiple modes and click patterns. It takes a bit of learning to get used to. There is an included flowchart which does help. And as always, this is not a dedicated work light. It's meant for everyday tasks and not industrial jobs. But it is a really good little flashlight for urban EDCers, commuters, travellers, anyone who wants more than a key light but less bulk than a tactical torch. It's good for people who value versatility and hands-free use, and anyone wanting a just enough light in a compact package. It hits that perfect middle ground, powerful enough for most things, small enough for everyday carry. The Sofirn ST10 is a smart, versatile, genuinely useful, compact flashlight. If you want something that fits in your pocket, hangs onto your bag or clips onto your cap, but actually delivers in real situations, this is a solid choice. It won't replace a heavy-duty torch, but it absolutely earns its place as a daily carry flashlight. For urban EDC, travel or everyday use, the ST10 is well worth adding to your kit. Smart, simple, and ready when you are. If you enjoyed this quick hit, smash that like button and let me know in the comments. Do you use the ST10 or do you use an alternative compact flashlight? And of course, a subscribe would be absolutely amazing. Huge thanks to Sofirn for sending this out. Links down below if you want to pick up one of these for yourself and on my kit.co page. If you follow any of those links, it will really help the channel and is really appreciated. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. And remember, what you carry carries you.